Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we're going to be learning how you can use ChatGPT for Tinder. So let's get started. Now there are a lot of creative ways you can utilize the power of ChatGPT to enhance your Tinder profile, and what we're going to be doing is first we're going to be entering write me a Tinder profile bio. So we're going to be starting up by building our profile on Tinder. So you can see you can enter prompt in here and you can see the answer is generated. So here you can see we have this bio. You can totally customize it by further sub prompts, and after that, once your profile bio is done, you can ask ChatGPT to how to create an attractive Tinder profile. Now it will give you a list of ideas that may work for you and that they might not be, but you can just go through them, and if they work, so well and good. So after that, what you can do is simply just do your own research that how to actually understand women better. So you can simply type in the prompt how to understand women better, and you can just read through this article and go through the ideas, maybe write them down and just get an idea of what basically girls are looking for. So you can just go through these information and make your mind, and hopefully you'll find a perfect match. So I really hope you understood the concept and found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.